How to log in Capitec Bank online banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your Capitec Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application and at the top search bar, type in Capitec Bank login. As you do so, you will see online banking by Capitec Bank. Click open that link and you will land onto this website. In here at the top right corner, you will see online banking. Click onto it. You can either choose if it's personal or business banking. Click on personal online banking or choose business banking if you are trying to log into your business banking account. Then you will see this page under here, simply typing your account number or your username. Once done, click on to continue. Then at the next page, you will be required to enter your password. Once done, click on to login, and if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your Capitec Bank online banking account. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.